welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ritvik Bakshi here, and today we're going to make a ping pong game where there are two players. One which is controlled automatically, and the other is controlled by our arrow keys. So we need a ball, and let's bring a ball. This ball, and we need two paddles. So let's give the direction of it as 0 and set the X position as 2 1 3 for this paddle. Let's duplicate the paddle, set the X as -2 1 3 -2 1 3, and yeah, let's make the ball into the center. So 0 and 0. So we have done our setup. You can also choose any background if you want. I'm just gonna choose one background. I want to choose this light. And I'll name the paddle 2 as paddle player because that's what we are controlling. And this is paddle auto, which will be automatically setting its Y position to the ball. And for this ball, I want it to turn or point in some direction, so a random direction. So pick random 45 to how about 79. So it will keep pointing in direction in these two values. So let's put that in the green flag clicked. Let's get a forever block and make it move. This is going to be our speed, so 15 will be better. And let's get this if on edge bounce, so this will bounce everywhere once we play. And don't forget to middle it, this ball on start, and for the auto it will be like this paddle auto will set its Y position to the ball's Y position. So let's set the Y to ball's Y position forever and green flag clicked. But the ball isn't actually bouncing away from the auto, so let's see here. Okay, let's get a if then touching the paddle auto, turn 180 degrees, 180, and move 15 steps. Let's see. Okay, look, now the ball is hitting the paddle. But it's keep doing that forever and ever, the same thing. So if you turn this a bit random, then it won't do the same again. So pick random 180 to 190. So it doesn't loop always. It goes in a random direction. So we'll make it a bit harder. And yeah, let's give the paddle player some movements. So let's get some movements like give the forever, if then, and key pressed. I'm using the arrow keys, so if key up pressed, key down pressed, it needs to change y by 10 for the up, and change y by minus 10 for the down one. So if I run it, I can be able to control my paddle, but the ball is not moving away from my paddle. So let's give it another one here. Duplicate that, paddle auto to paddle player. Okay, I think we are already done with our paddle game, but we'll do some few color changes and effects. So stick around and let's give the ball some change. So as you can see that there are many colors here. So let's take the next costume here, and then it changes its color once it touches the paddle. And if you want to change the backdrop, you must do this, broadcast a message called change. So broadcast change for these two, and then when I receive change the color effect so that it will change its color once always and it touches the paddle. And if you want to give this some trail, you can also give it by stamping. So let me get the stamp extension from the pen. You can also make its trail, but I don't like it. If you like it, then you can keep it. I don't like it, so I'll remove this stamp and erase all. You can also give it some like star particles, like in the mouse trail video. You can see how I put the mouse particles. I'm putting the those stars to the balls. So let me search the ball. I mean not the ball. What I'm searching? Star. Delete this white. Make this red. And the reason why I'm doing red is to give it some rainbow effect. So I will do this. Which costume? Star. Okay, first let's do this when clicked, and when clicked hide. So I'm creating many clones of it. So here let's see. Yeah, create a clone of the star, and here when I start it as a clone, must show and go to the ball, and yeah, do some effects like no, but for that I'll repeat here 100 times for the star. Repeat 100 times, change the color effect and change the ghost effect. That will make it transparent, not the real ghost I'm talking about. And then delete this clone. So you have this nice particles. Can also give it a try. I like this. Can also do this to the ball itself. Like, let me give that to the ball and myself. And look at that, colorful balls. So if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like. And this is the end of the video. If you you can also check out the mouse trail video I've just made, and see you. Thank you for watching this video.